go testing, baby.
What up guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am taking out my street car to go testing for the first time since I put this car to all-wheel drive. It's been about, I want to say 2 years since I last driven this car. My first time ever driving a B-Series all-wheel drive car. My plan today is to go testing, make a couple hits, make sure everything's good, make sure drivetrain is good, make a 1 through 4 pull. Hopefully everything goes smooth. I'm going to fill the car up. I got E85. I'm gonna fill it up because I had drained it for the winter time. I was like, you know what? Let me go outside, have some fun, give you guys something different. I'm gonna go meet up with Jamie, my brother, and I'm gonna try to get the most footage as I can. I have my 360 I'm gonna put on the windshield, and just, I don't know how long or short this video is gonna be, but I wanna share it with you guys. I'm gonna go out on my RT 660s for now and go testing just to make sure all the drivetrain parts are good. This is a street car. For you guys that are watching, full street car. Yeah, it's a street car on kill, but I'm gonna just show you guys one more time. This is a full street car. Like, I got my mats in there, radio works, full dash, full interior, front seats, back seats, cargo cover, full fuel tank, fuel lines. Yeah, it's a mess. First time, like I said, look at all the dust that's on there. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but last time you guys seen this car's on the dyno, I had the catch can issues. I baffled the valve cover, which is good. You guys can see I'm charging the battery right now because this car's just been sitting. And I haven't took it out, and I've been meaning to make a video for you guys with this car. I don't know how today's gonna go. I'm gonna do my best, show you guys 4-wheel burnouts. It's gonna spin all 4 tires, hopefully. Hopefully the drivetrain is good. I'm using X85 for fuel. You guys can see that. I'm gonna fill it up. This is, look at this. Shout out to Mike at MPH for the fill neck. My fuel cell's in the trunk. Let's fill it up, start her up for the first time since the dyno, and then let's take her out. Hopefully the battery charges in time. If not, I'm gonna bring a jump pack with me. I'm gonna do a few pulls in this slot just to get the first gear boost settings correct, and then we will go test it on the highway. It gets dark here around 3 o'clock, so if it gets dark, just please bear with me. I'm gonna get you as much content as I can today, and it won't be the last video of this car. I'm excited to take the car out for the first time in 2 years. A year and a half, 2 years since I put the car all-wheel drive. Just had no motivation to take the car out. We've just been so busy here working, but it's the weekend, so why not go have some fun? Let's go test the car out. I'll give you a quick walk around the car before we leave. Got the spoon brakes right there on the front. 64, 66 turbo on here for now. But if you guys got any questions, drop it in the comments. I have not finished tuning the car. We stopped the dyno like midway point. I just want to go test the car, make sure all the drivetrain parts are good, and then we're good to go. So let's get some fuel in here and let's get started. This thing is so dope. Check this out. This thing is awesome. Like a functional all-wheel drive car. And just like that, and it closes like factory. Love it. Let's start this thing up. Probably hard to pick up, but you guys get the gist of it. But idle's kind of rough. It's cold start. This thing probably won't stay idle probably until it reaches like 140, but pretty good. Honestly, not bad for E85 startup. I clean the injectors every time. E85 sucks in storing. Like, you see. Well, I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit. I'll take the car outside. You guys, I'm so excited. It might not look like it, whatever. I haven't driven this car in so long. I just pulled out for the first time. Didn't even wash the car. Car just looks amazing. I miss it so much. Like, I can't wait to take it for a ride for the first time. I know there's gonna be a few bugs that I have to fix, but that's part of building a car. I'm so happy with it. Like, you don't even know. The Mugen wheels on here, spoon brakes, full street car. Like, I'm so happy with it. This is exactly how I envisioned it coming out. Few minor changes I'll do, but got the GoPro set up. Hopefully everything does go smooth. I'm not gonna turn it on yet until everything goes good. The plan is to go meet up with Jamie, do some first gear launches, get the boost settings good on street tires. Cause that's how I'm gonna keep the car, either on street tires or Mickey Thompson's, one of the two. Man, check that out. We are all-wheel drive, baby. I need to check out my sticker though. Real-time 4-wheel drive. I won't bore you guys, won't keep talking. Let's get in it. Let's go meet up with Jamie. Let's get the boost settings down. I'm honestly excited. Like I said, full street car. This one makes me super excited, but can't wait. Let's go testing, baby. Alright boys, sorry to jump videos, but things didn't go according to plan with my street car. I'll give you guys a full rundown on what just happened. So I was driving the car and I noticed that the clutch was still engaged while I was driving. And I noticed that the clutch stop, because whenever you have a twin disc, you have to put a pedal stop. I had that installed and I needed to set it right. So I drove the car to J-Rock's shop. When I got there, the car wouldn't start back up. I guess the alternator took a shit, and then it basically, like, starter kept clicking. There wasn't enough power. When the battery's dead, it also messes with the idle, so everything just got messed up. Ended up having to tow the car back here to the shop, and that's pretty much how it went. I really wanted to give you guys a good video. I didn't want to, I guess, not post it, so I decided I'd just post it. I'll give you guys a rundown on what happened to keep you guys in the loop. Basically, I'm gonna get a new alternator, new starter, and a new battery, just because the car's just been sitting, so I want the car to be 100%. I also have the ATI pulley. They make this pulley. I got it from my boy Chris Logo. It like adjusts the amperage. So I got like a 90 amp alternator on there now. Get the pulley, alternator, starter for the car, and then go back out from there. Hoping everything is good, but I gotta work the bugs out. It's a new car, new build, so hopefully I get them situated, but I wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. So hopefully in the next video, I will be, I guess, driving it, testing it, whatever we do here. But that's what happened to me. Basically, car broke down. I didn't want to drive back to the shop, towed it back here. So I'm gonna get a new alternator, starter, and new battery, and then go from there. It sucks, man. I wish this thing was 16 volt and I can drive it around, but I can't. That's it for the most part. Sorry I couldn't make the video a little bit better. I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. I'll see you guys in the next video.